Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you how I make French toast in the crock pot. So if you want to see how I do that, then just keep watching. So let's just start with the ingredients. I've got some whole organic milk, some ground cinnamon, brown sugar, allspice, nutmeg, butter, and strawberries. And I did add some cream cheese and a few white chocolate chips. And of course you can't have French toast without eggs, so I got some eggs from our hens, and of course some bread. I just used like 8 slices of bread. So first I just put the bread in the crock pot, then some chunks of cream cheese, sprinkled some brown sugar over it, beat my eggs, and then did just a couple of dashes of each of the spices in the egg mixture. So then you pour the egg mixture over the bread and brown sugar and just try to get all the pieces nice and covered. One thing I will say is I love French toast, but this turns out a little bit more like a bread pudding than actual like French toast, but it makes your house smell amazing and it is still really good. It's just not exactly like French toast in my opinion, but it's still really good. So now I'm just going to be adding some strawberries and the white chocolate chips, and you can put any fruit you like in here, apples, blueberries. I think anything would be good in there. So yeah. And you just set it on low and let it cook overnight while you are sleeping, and it will be nice and ready to go in the morning when you wake up, and it makes your house smell amazing, like amazing. This is just so good. So, and I will have the ingredients and measurements all listed in the description box below. I hope you all enjoyed this, and if you tried it, let me know how it was. And yeah, mine did turn out just a little bit burnt. I wish I would have mixed it around a little better and got all of the pieces like good and more saturated, but other than that, it was really delicious. So thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And yeah, I love you and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.